Myntri katanad ka koi kya ka jala uba wailat mi kishla ula munjur ba unsa shong bishar bnia ban penbet ya ka kam ka bayadei bar ka jiwan ra ya ka sub health center ha ka shnong Hingaria East Giant Hills ha ka than kaput ka Bangladesh ka sorkar ha ka baningkong kala thmu banwan ra ya ka sub health center ha ka shnong Hingaria Henry hadin kala kan ria no namar ka jingbom biang ka jaka bar ka jingbom biang ha ka jingdon jong ki pat nong shong shnong kat kum ki kindon ong Myntri ha bakilan shakila patai kubor ha ka artarik rumpang ulak doru ba ka hurai sub center ka badan marjan ka jingai tangkumba lai kilometer bat ka la ban khmi lang ya ka jingdon kam jong ka shnong Hingaria ka badan tang hapo ka lai hajar kinong shong shnong Watla katta uba wailat ulo ong haba perkat ya ka jingdon jong ka shnong Hingaria ha ka than ka bakindong bat ka badan ha kaput bat ka Bangladesh kumta ula kular ba unsa shong bishar benya ya ka naga kam bat ban khmi ya ka ka bala ban le kani kala wanlong ru hadien baka dorba shnong ka Hingaria kala kerpan ban perkat biang halor ka naga kam da ka bakdaw ya ka jingma halor ka koi ka kya bat halor ka hok ban yo kila jing smar bakam biang Kador pasnong kala kamru bana kalyang katanat ka koi kya kala dap ban jurib ya kajaka nakabenta ban wanra ya kajaka sumar Henry lapan kan ria no shawaipan da kabakdo baka jaka kamlong kababyang kajingkam ya kabala kentaj da kinong alam shnong Kador pasnong kapan pauru baka shnong Hingaria kaya kindu ikajing kabakraw ha kabayade berkajing kiu ha kajing don jong kilong kami bayap pun kun bat bakha klung bat halor ka jingduna banyo ikidawai da shin namar ka jingpan slam yakilat jing sumar.
Today they came and met me, so they flag off their issues that they according to them that in the past that I think there was an order that to set up a sub center in Hingaria. But later on, according to the report submitted to me, it seems that the land was not feasible, and at the same time, even from the population point of view, also, I mean, like they have not crossed the 3,000 population, and the Huroi was still able to cater the Hungaria because it is 3 kilometers from. So because of this issue, so it seems they shifted the sub-center to to Myntri. But no doubt we do understand because Hingaria is a very far-flung areas in and then adjacent to the international borders of Bangladesh, and we do keeping in mind that I have assured them that I'll call a review meeting and we'll try to try to see. But at the same time also we cannot we cannot just go out of the way and then because we have to follow the criteria for setting up of the sub center. So I'm still I'll be calling a joint meeting, so we'll try to find an amicable solution for this. Like I said, because there is a sub center next to Hingaria, that is Huroi sub centers, which is 3 kilometers from Hingaria. So which is catering the Hingaria right now. I think it's a little bit far from there. No, I cannot recall because maybe yeah. So that's why I told you, because keeping in mind because of the present condition. But at the same time also just to inform you, as you know that the government already sanctioned the road there, and today also I'm quite happy to discuss with them that it is almost in the completion stage. They are going to lay the blacktopping right now. So once that road is done, also it is a 6-minute drive from Huroi to Hingaria. So but like I said, will definitely is our endeavor that to bring the healthcare system at the nearest to our people. See, because like I said, because we cannot just upgrade it like that, or we cannot just put it, because we have to follow the criteria. But as of now, as you can just to inform you that even the population, if we take both like Huroi and Hingaria, it is not 4,000 also. So you do realize that it is still like we are lacking in the many criteria to upgrade the Huroi sub-center to PSC. I cannot answer that because as of now we have not got any report. So I think just to answer here, I think it's not wise. But definitely, I think health is something where I think there is no boundary. So anywhere where we are getting a good treatment, so definitely people gonna come. But saying that is not that I'm like encouraging people to come and cross border, because we have law and order. So I think we need to follow